Escape the hustle of Mexico City and step into the tranquility of Ajusco National Park. Today, we are hiking to Pico del Aguila, the highest peak in the city, standing tall at 3,930 meters. This adventure takes you through dense forests filled with diverse flora and fauna, offering a refreshing escape into nature. Along the trail, every step brings you closer to breathtaking views. The reward for your effort? Stunning vistas of the Valley of Mexico that will leave you in awe. And the journey doesn't end there. From Pico del Aguila, continue to Cruz del Marqués, the park's second highest peak, for even more incredible photo opportunities. After your hike, why not celebrate your accomplishment with an authentic Mexican meal at a local restaurant? It's the perfect way to end your day of adventure. With a bilingual guide, private transportation, and the flexibility to customize your experience, this is more than just a hike. It's an adventure tailored to you. Book now at vibeadventures.com or click the link in the description below.